Guys, look at all this. It looks like snow.
Dude, we can collect ice cube from this. Like,
Bruh. That looks like snow, bruh. Look at all that. Look at all that hail. Just look at that. I've never seen anything like that before. Uncle Tom's car is taking a wild beating. That looks like snow to me. I swear to God, that looks like snow. Holy hell. I've never seen anything like this before. Back in my day, look at all that. It looks like it's snowing.
it looks like if you went out there, you would be in agony.
Let me get a better view. Look at all that.
Very painful hail.
And it stinks. Oh my God.
Yeah, no, we're not gonna be walking out there. You don't remember seeing all those Japanese movies where they're dodging big old hailstorms and then they get hit in the head and die?
This one
This is just the beginning.
Look,
It looked like it snowed.
look, it's like spiky.
Yeah,
No, wait, take a picture of it.
I'm recording it, dude.
It's all spiky.
I'm posting that on YouTube. So this is what Alabama is truly about, huh?
This is not what Alabama is all about. This is what usually happens before a tornado.
Hail this big?
It's a bit chilly for a tornado to hit.
Yeah, it's too cold for a tornado. Depends on if we suddenly start getting warm. Oh dear. Look at my rose tree. I'm not throwing the leaves off my rose tree.
Poor Grandma.
And it's starting to get stronger now. Uh-oh.
I'm going inside.
Yeah, I am so... Hold on. And my breath is frozen. Wow. Whoa. Grandma, I think it's gonna be piled up in hail. Grandma, look at all that. Look. Holy. Woohoo! And look, all the steam from the hail. All hail tornado. Whoa. I've never seen anything like that in my entire life. Never seen anything like that. I swear, if the tornado's coming here, I'll be like, woohoo! Oh. Yeah, thanks a lot, Storm. Oh my God. We done yet? Alright, Storm. Show something cool. Come on. Okay, that's good enough. Man, this is so wild. Like, it looks like snow. It looked like it snowed here. I guess we call this the Ice Age. Get it? And it's starting to steam up a bit. The fog, I think. Oh my Lord. I can see all that steam or wherever it is, fog around here. Let me go.
One of my things come loose.
I don't know.
Did that come loose?
Holy. It's damaged it. I've never seen anything like that in my life.
This has never failed this bad here.
And it's starting to fog up now.
Yeah, that's because it's warm. And now you know why you guys have short days.
And my breath is frozen. Wow. Wow. It's like I'm vaping storms. Woo-wee. So we're done with the hail?
I don't know. Oh. It's simple as that.
Wow. Wow, this is so... Dude! Is that what I think it is? Is that Jesus? I'm kidding. Oh. Wow. Never seen anything like that in my life. Yep. Woo! Fee. Is this starting to clear up or it's fogging up? I swear to God, are you seriously doing this? This is just the beginning. I swear to God. Look at all that. It's so foggy now. Fogged up. I think Uncle Tom's car is all beaten up now, all dented.
Well, we'll see. Excuse me, let me get some pictures.
Dude.
Also, because on TV.
Yeah.
I'm so posting this video on YouTube. I'm so posting this on YouTube. I want to hear tornado sirens. Come on, baby. Give it to me. Give me that tornado. Lame. Now you've gone cool to lame. Nah. Oh. I hope we get a funnel cloud. It's so fogged up.
Can't tell.
You can zoom in a little bit more, can't you?
Why we need to zoom in more? That's about it. That's it.
I think it's all dented. Can cars be dented that easily like that?
Oh yeah, it could. He's lucky that it didn't bust through window.
God. Holy, we got more. We got more. Don't tell me we do.
Oh, I know why the fog's here.
The hailstorm?
Yep, caused it.
Yeah. Oh. Okay. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. That was fun. I swear that was pretty cool.
Well, if you were out there getting